back, over. Alright, roger. And after the 260, the air coming back, over.
009, dropping 3, you're in the clear, roger.
Doctors can work together to inspect the train and figure it out, I guess. Are you still there?
Let the dispatcher know that our air is not restoring. Said if you need help, we can work with the 009. Q260, conductor is having trouble with the pin on one car. The pin is bent and they can't get it out, so they're going to need the car department out here to give them a hand.
I talked to the Rochester Car Department less than 10 minutes ago. They are en route.
Roger that, thank you.
Roger, NFL.
Conductor, Rochester Car Department's en route to you.
6029, engine 822, over.
6029 with the CF section 822 answering the NF.
Checking to see if we're done inspecting, over.
I just talked to him. He's 20 cars from the rear end.
Alright, very good. Let me know when we're all inspected so we can move the 009, over.
I'll let you know. He's working on it. And he's by the lumber cars now, so he's looking at those too. To get that mic, as long as you can see the rear end and it's upright, we can let 009 go. And let him know. Q26029, cars are upright. Okay, just send the 009 on their merry way.
Upright on the rail, okay to move traffic on 1, over.
Do that.
Thank you, NFL.
Master's here, so he's giving the conductor a hand.
Has the car department arrived?
Or not yet.
Right. Figured they'd been there by now.
Thought so too.
XL Carolina dispatcher Q00930, engine 5452, over. Sir, just got off the radio with the 260, all inspected. You're okay west, 1-1, signal indication 362, over. Good, 367.